The sky was as deep blue as ever. The stars were shining brightly, and the moon was slowly rising, appearing on the horizon. This world on which the aliens had landed had long been immersed in the sky. But tonight, everything would change in an unexpected way. Gore, an alien researcher, was commissioned to study the Earth's atmosphere. The aliens wanted to assess the resources of this planet and observe the technological development of the natives. Throughout the night, Gore collected various data and looked at the sky. However, at an unexpected moment, he noticed movement. Deep in the forest, under the light of the moon, a giant creature appeared. Gore moved towards it in surprise. As he got closer, he saw that it was a bear, but not a normal bear. It had big, strong arms and bright blue eyes. Gore watched the bear in amazement, wondering what kind of bear it could be. But before he had a chance to think any more, the bear came towards him. Gore was frozen in place for a moment, but then he chose to stay put instead of running away. He could feel Gore's heart beating faster as the bear got closer. However, the bear did not run towards him, but came calmly to him and looked at him with its big eyes. As Gore was trying to make sense of the situation, the bear began to speak. There was a kind of calmness and wisdom in his voice. "Hello, my friend. Surprised to see someone like you here," Gore replied, in astonishment. Can you speak?" The bear smiled. "Yes, my friend. We are the guardians of the moon. We are an ancient race who guard the mysteries and secrets of your planet." 100 questions flashed through Gore's mind. "Why have you appeared now, and why are you speaking to me?" The bear bowed his head slightly. "We are concerned about the future of Earth. You humans are neglecting your planet. You are destroying nature and fighting each other. We have come to this world to show mercy." Gore listened with understanding. "What can we do? How can we help?" The bear spoke with a serious expression. "We must work together to change the future. You must protect nature, use resources sustainably, and respect each other. You can be a hope for future generations." Gore absorbed the bear's words. "We will listen to you, and I will take this message to the world." The bear smiled. "Thank you, my friend. We appreciate your good intentions. There is hope for your planet." Gore returned, filled with the moon's words. He now felt a greater responsibility for the future of the Earth. His meeting with the moon could be the turning point for the future of humanity. The fate of the planet was in their hands, and it was time for change. As Gore thought about the moon's teachings, he felt a fire begin to burn within him. It was no longer enough just to be an observer. He had to take action. He returned to the center to communicate with the aliens and shared the information he had received. The aliens were concerned about the future of Earth and listened openly to Gore's suggestions. After a series of meetings and discussions, they decided that humanity needed to take steps towards a sustainable future. Gore contacted Earth's leaders and gave them the message of the moon. At first, some leaders were skeptical and rejected the change. However, Gore and the other aliens made an effort to convince people. Scientific evidence, environmental data, and the moon's teachings started a transformation in people's minds. World leaders came together and signed a global agreement on sustainability and environmental protection. They pledged to reduce carbon emissions, invest in renewable energy sources, and protect natural habitats. Humanity had rediscovered their responsibility to their planet. Gore worked to spread the teachings of the moon around the world. He created educational programs, participated in environmental projects, and organized awareness campaigns among humans. Other aliens made similar efforts and worked in cooperation with humans for the future of the planet. Over the years, the transformation of the Earth has become visible. Clean air, clean water, and healthy soils have improved people's quality of life. Wild habitats were reclaimed, and efforts were made to protect endangered species. Peace and cooperation among people spread to every corner of the planet. Gore witnessed the moon's message of compassion change the world. Where once they had expected a dark future, now a future of hope awaited them. As guardians of the planet, Gore and the other aliens worked with humans to ensure that the Earth would exist in harmony forever. And so, the friendship and cooperation between the guardians of the moon and humans became a story that will echo to the stars in the depths of the universe. When Gore detected the first signs of the presence of alien forces threatening Earth, he felt a deep fear. The alien attacks were confirmed by the accounts of a traveler who brought back a mysterious galaxy from the depths of the universe. This traveler had witnessed the destruction of a distant planet and heard the cries of war-torn worlds. With this news, Gore immediately sprang into action and informed Earth's leaders of the danger. However, the response was not as expected. Some leaders underestimated the danger, while others panicked, unable to find a solution. Gore believed that humanity could overcome this crisis with the power of the teachings of the moon. Working with the aliens, they devised plans to strengthen Earth's defenses. But time was running out. When the aliens launched their first attack on Earth, Gore and the other aliens activated their defense systems. However, the enemy forces were greater than expected, and humanity's defenses were fragile. Gore fought alongside the humans, trying to push the enemy back. Battles between spaceships took place in the sky at the speed of light. Thanks to the sacrifices of many heroes, Earth managed to survive. But in the darkest moment of the war, the fire within Gore grew even larger. He no longer needed to be just a defender of Earth, but a hero. They hatched a plan and launched an attack on the enemy mothership. After a difficult battle, Gore and his team managed to infiltrate the enemy ship. Once inside, they clashed with the alien leaders and managed to take over the ship. However, they ran out of time to destroy the ship. In a last-ditch effort, Gore managed to stop the enemy attack by blowing up the ship. In doing so, he risked his own life. At the last moment, he was rescued by the aliens and returned to Earth to celebrate humanity's victory. After this event, humans and aliens once again came together in an effort to bring peace to the galaxy. Gore continued to transmit the teachings of the moon to humans and other planets, and they achieved the unity that would preserve the peace of the universe.